Okay, we'll start a second video because I don't know how to combine them. Low light Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. We'll be getting on the loop. Meet him at 8 o'clock and get our parts. We're going to go to Lowe's and get some lumber. We got to go to Tractor Supply and get a couple of spare tires or tires for a wheelbarrow. See that lens flare? The S22 I don't think handles it any better. I don't know why these cameras, I don't know. Should we chance going to the right and getting in bridge traffic? It's early enough where we should be okay, I think. Go to the left. I guess traffic probably good enough. We could go either way. Get off at Lexington or US 78. This way we'll get off probably at College Station instead of going to 78 or Lexington Road. But probably the video will end before we get there because it only will run 10 minutes before it cuts off automatically. We've got to figure, if anybody knows how to get these Google Pixel cameras to extend the video time, I guess I could ask my girl, or even ask one of those Chat GPT or something other. Those things are incredible. Doctor's already he's been doing this, inputting all this data in the computer. The computer tells him what to do, what to prescribe and all this. I don't know about the rest of you guys. You know, I saw where Bill Gates said the other day, I don't have much use for that rascal either, but and you know, I've already figured that out. What are you going to need doctors and stuff for? The AI robots and stuff are going to be able to diagnose stuff much better. The more data they put in, and the more data they get from all the different people and even from you on your condition and how things should be, the better they're going to be able to keep you at whatever level you're supposed to be at. It wouldn't surprise me if they were able to reverse aging. At some point, I'm sure they will be able to. But what are we going to do with all the people? What are they going to do for a living? Really exciting things going on in this world right now. Well, this will be 2 videos we'll get up. Low light Google Pixel videos. Night drives. There'll be a couple of different things. We need to do some dirt road night drives. Very few dirt roads around anywhere anymore. You've got to get to wildlife management area roads or South Georgia, Alabama, different places where you can get many dirt road videos anymore. At 6:30, about 45 degrees, April the 9th, I think. This may be the 8th, but I think it's the 9th. Want to hit the road. Gas is expensive. I spent money on that van. I'm spending money on parts, computer, alternator, vendors. A bunch of expense coming up this month. Insurance. Social Security just doesn't cover it. Needs to pick up a little construction consulting or some light construction work. I can't do the heavy stuff anymore. I can still build garden gates, fences, do deck repair, that kind of stuff. We just finished a nice shed roof, but I had help. Well, I was the help, put it that way. Yeah, I need to do a video complete on it, a complete video on it. I want of it complete. Loop gets crazy in a little while. People drive like absolute lunatics on this loop. We're going to go to the Lowe's on Lexington Road over here for US 78 and see about getting 4 2x10, I mean 2 by 4, 10 feet long. Him at 8 o'clock. Get her parts. I haven't been to the Buc-ee's in Alabama yet. It's Sweetwater Creek. Well, with all this rain, though, Sweetwater Creek's going to be muddy and ugly. It'd be nice to head out I-20. Go to that Buc-ee's in Alabama, just cut all the way across Alabama, get off the freeway and just camp on the sides or whatever, or within a couple of miles of the freeway. Maybe go all the way to Mississippi, turn around and come back, get out for a couple of days. Lanes, and you got somebody coming up right on our bumper. You know what in the world's got the people? Or you got 2 lanes. Yeah, they're coming around. Get right up on you instead of getting over to the left lane and coming around. somebody on, get that left-hand lane, and then somebody's barreling up your bumper at 85 miles an hour. And then the people you move over to let on won't let you back over. We didn't get these videos centered in the phone, did we? Maybe not too far off. One thing I do like about this phone, it'll give you the angle of deflection up and down vertical. Oh, well this thing's recording after 10. I wonder what happened. It's 10:49, 10:50. Stop on it at one time. Interesting. I guess maybe it learned it. This is a smartphone with AI. Maybe it heard me talking about it and reset itself. I wonder, sure enough, what happened, because it had a limit and used to say that it was only recorded to 10 minutes. Or it didn't say it would only let it record, but it said it automatically cut off at 10 minutes. Well, the phone screen is much lighter than me looking down through the windshield. So it is definitely amplifying light. Okay, we got this one coming up on the right. Okay, they're going to merge in good. Again, the people merging in think they have the right to push you over. They have to merge into the traffic. People in the lane have the right of way. These people won't even look. They'll just come over. You really have to pay attention to your driving now more than ever. You've always needed to or had to, but it's more important now than it's ever been. Speed limit 65, he's doing at least 70 plus. Low-light videos with Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. 14 minutes. We'll go ahead and turn this one off. Be 14 and a half minutes, and then when we get to the lows, we'll get these started uploading. I guess we'll let it run to College Station. I mean to Lexington Road. This is College Station. Athens is growing like crazy. on this other one. Okay, they sped up to gain enough to merge. We got them coming up on our left. So if we'd gotten over, they'd have been pushing us hard. For my liking, Athens, Clark, Oconee, Georgia GSP, Georgia State Patrol, they need to take control of this loop. Wow. The new ramp is open over there on the other side, which is great. This intersection has been a disaster for a long time. Keep going. No, we've got to yield going on here, so yeah, Athens to the left. We got people coming up on us, moving fast. We're gonna go out after this one. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this off. This will be a wrap.